Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use grids here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using grids here in Adobe Express is a simple process that offers several benefits for organizing and enhancing your designs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of inspiring designs. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click this button. Let me tell you that grids help you align elements like text, images, and icons with precision, ensuring a well-balanced and organized design. Basically, they're very useful for creating clean and professional-looking layouts. Now, I want you to hover to the margin section because here, this is the only way for you to access the grids. You can show margins, and of course, you can show bleed. So these are going to be like a guide that allows you to maintain consistent spacing between elements. So what I'm going to do is copy this. I'm going to add a new page so we can implement the grid section right here, but because the first design is a little bit cluttered, right? Now I'm going to add more information here as we go along the way by adding more media. For example, videos. We're going to be looking on several videos here, right? So I want this couple. I want this right, and I'm going to add more. The bottom, maybe this little dog right here. You see, because of the grid, we are able to avoid overcrowding uneven gaps between items, right? It's very useful in a lot of sense. You see that? So that's going to be the limit. Add a text here. All right, so once they are perfectly blended together, all I'm going to do now is click on the download option. You can download this amazing, evenly spaced design because of the grid option. And of course, share it to your client if you want that. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.